let us start off this tour. So we're gonna go to the bottom. We're gonna go to the ground floor. So we're gonna go start at the pool. We're gonna work our way up. I do love this lamp. This is cute. I'd love to have this in my house. Okay. Okay. So I don't know. I just really like how they just did the pop of art. There, another. Okay, so here's another accent wall. And I like this wallpaper. And then how they did that. Also, I noticed like each door has a little picture on it, a different picture, which is super cute. Like, I don't know the significance of that, but super cute. And then here is our room. Okay, so here's our room. We went to get waters and stuff, so. But mini little coffee bar. There is a refrigerator here, microwave, a sink. I guess there's extra stored. And then here, and this is a pull-out couch. You guys saw this morning when I opened these. Natural sunlight in. I really like their painting selection or their picture selections that they chose. There's this super duper cute barn door in here with a mirror on the barn door. So cute. Love this. Like, how adorable is this? Just, I will be using this for the get ready with me, but love this. I really like that there's like specks of, I don't know if you guys can see that, specks of glitter. And it's like this headboard is super duper cute. Oh my gosh, and this stuff, Smells so good. They have it in the shower too, the same brand. And it smells delightful. And then there's this desk in the middle of the floor, which is nice because it is a business trip. And there's this lamp. Nice little view of like city. This is my favorite wall art out of this entire hotel. This one right here. But again, great selection of wall art. I love how they put it together on the walls. Just like that. And that concludes our room tour. So that is it for our hotel / room tour. Let me know what you guys would rate the hotel down in the comments. But yeah, the bed's super comfy, staff super nice, except for the one sassy lady at the front. But other than her, everyone's been, other than her though, everyone's been super nice. But yeah, so I'm going to, it is now 3:19. He's probably gonna come back and shower. All right, so I'll be back in 2.5 hours. The only reason I came through tonight is because I really like you, and I can know how I did. Went through wherever your mind then. The nicest the close of your touches. Why just tell me that you feel like I do? Try because it's super smooth. Tell me I'm that baby. Tell me you like me. Still can't really see the outfit, but I thought this was lit. This needs to be tied, but I'll tie it in the car. This is really not how I wanted it to be, but it's okay. It can't. This is the outfit. I kind of try to show you guys, but I will see you guys when we get in the restaurant. Yeah. At the Fahrenheit because the place that is right across from us with the blue lights, my boyfriend wanted to originally take me there. We didn't have reservations or anything, but when we went, they told us that someone rented out the entire top floor. They wouldn't tell us who. I'm actually curious who now. That's the bank my great grandma has.
Put your hand on it.
I don't want to put my hand on that.
Well, I figured once one of these people by the fire went.
Find myself here again.
The aesthetics are so cute.
Carpaccio.
Carpaccio, but it's pretty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it, babe. So I was very hesitant on trying the Wagyu Carpaccio stuff. It's just not my cup of tea, and I have to say I'm gonna give it a solid 4.5. I'm not a fan. Wouldn't eat it again. You're not sure? The crab cake though, 10 out of 10. Everything else, 10 out of 10. Just not a fan of carpaccio.
Same color eyes.
We've had our dinner and we're walking back to the car now.
Scuffs and scratches. This thing has been with me through the trip. Alright, next up, if you're a baller, then you can get one of these.
You guys, so honestly, I was mentally not motivated. So I never did any skincare on this trip, but I got you guys. Next time, we're going to do skincare. But until the next vlog, I will see you guys later. Bye.